Welcome! Today we're going to load the paper into your Brother machine. This video will cover multiple models and operating systems. Even though your machine may not match the model on the screen, the overall process will be the same. Open the manual feed slot. Adjust the paper guides to fit the paper. Load a single sheet of paper only. Choose the correct orientation for the size of the paper. Load a single sheet of paper only. For more tutorials, FAQs, and videos, visit us at www.brother-usa.com. If you found this video helpful, be sure to subscribe. Thank you for choosing Brother.